Hey guys, what is up? Today's video will show you how to get notifications on iPhone and Apple Watch at the same time. Are you looking for a quick and easy guide on how to get notifications at the same time for your Apple Watch and iPhone? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, first things first, you need to go to your phone settings and tap notifications. In notifications, you have to make sure that all the apps you want to receive notifications from for your iPhone from your Apple Watch are enabled. So once you've finished up, close settings and open the Watch app on your phone. In the homepage of the Watch app, tap on notifications. Scroll down until you see where it says mirror iPhone alerts from. Here you will see all the apps that will notify you the same time that it notifies your iPhone. It's that easy. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.